Hello guys, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you why do your Samsung Buds3 FE headphones keep disconnecting from your device. It's very commonly seen that earbuds, especially Samsung earbuds, but AirPods too, are disconnecting from Windows PCs. And remember, this is not the issue of the earbuds, this is just a Windows PC system issue. So there is nothing to fix, just this is a PC, you have to restart the PC or something like that. But if it comes to the phone, we can do a couple of things. At first, try charging your earbuds up to 100%. Have them plugged to the power outlet for a long period of time, for example 2 hours, so that you can really be sure that you have them on 1%, even though you see that they are on 100% in the app. It's because sometimes the battery status may be wrong, because sometimes it can be broken, especially when your earbuds keep disconnecting. Try having them 100%. Of course, this is not something that's commonly seen on the phones, so even though it's easy to fix, I'd recommend to have it keep an eye on it. If charging did fix it for you, that's nice. But if charging didn't fix it for you and the issue still persists, what I recommend doing is that at first you need to open the case and have both earbuds in it. Here, hold the circle button right here for 5 to 6 or 7 seconds so they can see this LED light, and briefly close the case after that. Open the case right again, hold the button right again too, and now your earbuds are factory resetted, and that means that you have to now unpair your headphones from your phone or tablet or any other device and pair it back again. This should fix your issue, but if it didn't fix your issue, you have to contact the device support, because your headphones are just broken and there's nothing to do, unfortunately. And yes, that's not a good thing actually, but there is no other choice. And actually that's it. Hope your earbuds are now fixed. Goodbye.